In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume to your Tradingview chart. If you've been using Tradingview for a while, you might know that understanding the volume of trades is crucial. It gives you that extra layer of insight into the market, helping you make informed decisions. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. First off, you want to open Tradingview on your browser. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so using your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll be immediately taken to your last saved chart setup. If you're here for the first time, you might see a default chart. Now, with the chart open in front of you, take a closer look at the top toolbar. This area is rich with tools and settings that cater to your analytical needs. What you want to do is focus on the top left section where you can find a symbol search bar. Make sure the chart that's displayed shows the stock or instrument you're currently analyzing. Next, to add the volume indicator, look slightly to the right. There's an icon that looks like a beaker or a flask. That's the indicator button. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open up a window showcasing a variety of indicators you can select from. In the search bar within this window, type in volume. You'll see a couple of options pop up, but you'll want to select the one that's simply labeled volume under the built-in section. Click it, and you'll notice that the lower section of your chart now displays the volume bars, which correlate with the level of trading activity over time. While you're eagerly observing those new volume bars, let's talk about what they are showing you. Each bar represents the volume of trades for a specific time interval. High volume bars could indicate strong interest or the start of a trend, whereas a drop in volume might show waning enthusiasm. Using this, you can better gauge the underlying dynamics of price movements. Now that you've successfully added volume, you can customize how it looks. Hover over the volume bars, and you'll find a small gear icon which stands for settings. Click on it to open customization options. Here, you can choose different color schemes, adjust the opacity, or even modify the style of the volume bars altogether to suit your preferences. There you have it, a straightforward path to enhancing your Tradingview charts with volume indicators. This little tweak can be a game changer, providing you with a fuller picture of market sentiment and dynamics. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Tradingview tips and tricks. Until next time, happy trading!